Hey, welcome back to another episode of this. Today, what we have here is a 53 Gasser Corvette. I don't know when the kit's from. I don't know what company made it. All I know is that I wanted a yellow Corvette like this. So here it is. Some custom things and things to note. The scoop on this one, like on the Mustang, is glow in the dark. I'm not going to demonstrate though, because that takes too long. These door handles, because I didn't have the original ones, I decided to make turning door handles like a doorknob. It's got white steel wheels, and the axles stick out on these ones so that it could sit with a remotely narrow wheelbase. The taillights are painted in, they're not actually there, and the interior is half first-gen Corvette and half second-gen Corvette. So, it's also got kind of hood pins made from screws, but they're not really doing a good job right now. So, I'm just gonna actually not even bother unscrewing both of them. I can just look at that, unscrewed. Bang. And pop this off. The interior really doesn't have too much to show, and it's kind of a similar story underneath. I didn't actually repaint the original chassis that was on this because I thought it kind of looked unique, I guess is one word for it. So all the paint that's left on this original chassis and radiator, which doesn't have hoses by the way because I don't have any more stuff to make custom ones, is made by whoever had the car before I did. This is another one of those ones that was bought in the big bulk collection. It's got a big shifter, that's the spare from the Mustang. The 65 Mustang, I should mention, from the last one. The firewall is from this car. Motor is not. The motor is actually one that I pulled out of the back seat of the 55 Bel Air. Not too much to talk about really up here. It's got headlights. I don't have the front Corvette badge painted on because I really didn't want to have anything on the front. I wanted the front to be very clean. Just the trim and the white. And underneath, it's once again pretty simplistic. I neatened up around the edges. You can see where the hood pins used to go before I raised it all up a bit on the frame. I did the black down here, but the silver is still the original paint that was on it. These are not the original wheels. The original wheels have long since been absolutely destroyed. But yeah, this is part of a parts tree. It's used to stop the hood, or the entire front clip rather, from falling too far because it sticks out just enough to stop that. The headers on this one are the headers that were supposed to go on the 65 Mustang before I put 64.5 Mustang, I'm sorry. It's close enough to a 65 though. These are the headers that were supposed to go on that until I put the NASCAR ones on it. And that really sums it all up. It doesn't have a windshield. And the trim slash frame slash whatever from this one are actually made from two different parts cars. And that's kind of my collection of Corvettes up there. Here's another Gasser Corvette that I'm going to be building soon. But this car, that's going to finish it up. I don't know what the next video is going to be. It's probably going to be a 69 GTO on a NASCAR chassis.